I wanted to make a quick video demonstrating the various ways you can apply Shoe Goo, regardless of the way you're going to apply it, and make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area and also use gloves to protect your hands. So what I'm going to try to do here is a little experiment. There are 3 areas where I'm going to apply Shoe Goo in the center of these circles and then try to spread it. So the first way I'm going to apply is just straight, using my finger, my gloved finger, as a means of spreading it. What we're going to look at is how easily this spreads and the appearance of the final deposit. So I'm going to deposit a little bit in the center here and then attempt to spread it around in the circle, as I said. So I'm just going to do it like this. So you can see it just immediately sticks to my finger. And yeah, I can work it around. But the precision is not great. And the final appearance is not great. My deposit is not very smooth at all. And so now I'm going to have to basically get rid of my glove here. Okay, for the next deposit, I'm going to use water to wet my finger to help spread the Shoe Goo. So I'm wetting my finger with water, and as you can see, it's not sticking to my finger, but it's quite pasty. So, and I'm just kind of pushing it around. But it's sticking. And the final result is not fantastic because now water is getting between the substrate and the Shoe Goo. And so it's difficult for me to work it. The final result is not so great. I prefer to use mineral spirits as a solvent. So let's see how we do there. So I have this stuff in a little container. So the trick is to kind of know when you have too much and when you have too little, and you can feel it. That you can see this stuff is glass smooth as I spread it. And I have a lot of workability now and very good precision, so I can pretty much direct it in a thin layer, make it go wherever I want it to go. And so even if the mineral spirits drips ahead of the Shoe Goo, it'll still adhere to the surface. So let's keep working this. See if we can fill our circle up.